Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. In 1924, Louis de Broglie proposed a bold idea. Every particle is also a wave. Yes, this was his idea. Okay, and his theory is known as the wave-particle duality theory. And his theory became one of the strong pillars of quantum mechanics. This thing is known to you. And according to his theory, means his theory should be valid for photons, for electrons as well as for atoms. Of course, under right conditions. And you know the famous double-slit experiment. In case of a double-slit experiment, photons were used and scientists found wave-like nature of photons on the screen. That means actually they observed interference pattern on the screen. Again, when electrons were used, the same thing happened. In that case also, scientists found wave-like nature of electrons on the screen. But this time, means now, almost a century later, MIT researchers have literally seen the interference pattern of atoms one by one in real time. They actually used ultracold atoms for their experiment. Ultracold atoms, the temperature was almost close to absolute zero. Okay, temperature was close to absolute zero, and they used a laser light to guide the atoms through engineered slits. Then what happened? The atoms landed randomly at first. Okay, the atoms landed randomly at first, and over time a beautiful interference pattern emerged. This is their achievement. That means at present MIT researchers have proved the same theory beautifully. What is the new thing here? Here for the first time atoms were used. You can see the interference pattern of atoms on the screen with your own eyes. This is their great achievement. This confirms the correctness of that theory, that is wave-particle duality theory. Okay, once again confirmation we have received this way. Okay, and one more thing is that this might have an impact on new technologies like quantum computing is there, then ultra-precise sensors are there. So many technologies are there where this discovery, this achievement might have an impact. Okay, that means this theory is no more only a theory. This has practical evidence. Because in case of atoms also, we have found the same thing, same wave-like pattern. And this way, maybe later, with the help of this confirmation, we might be able to know the reality of space, reality of time, reality of the universe. With this theory, with the help of this theory. You know, in science, confirmation is required. So, in the theory, what was mentioned by de Broglie, what was mentioned? According to his theory, it was mentioned in the theory that his theory is valid for photons, for electrons, as well as for atoms. But so far, before this experiment by MIT researchers, for atoms, no confirmation was there, no practical evidence were there for atoms. And that's why this is their great achievement. So now we can say that de Broglie's theory is 100% correct. We can say this thing at present after their discovery, after their achievement. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. Yes, this is the end of this video. If you found this video fascinating, please hit the like button and share with your fellow friends and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so thanks for watching.